teacher.
Teacher.
Yes. You have to write ABC and 1, 2, 3 all the way 100.
Alif ba.
No, first English.
English.
You have to write A like this, and slowly and nice and clean. Your turn. Slowly.
Okay.
I will hold your hand.
No, I can do it on myself.
No, you can do it very fast. It should be slow. Do it.
But I did home very slowly.
Do it slowly. Not too close.
I need to make a mother A.
Why I want to make a mother A? It should be nice and clean like mine. Now give me pencil. Now B time. On.
You made this broke the pencil.
Do it again. Kalaji, give me the sharpener. She broke the pencil.
Oh, I can do it.
No, that will make all wrong. You need a stick.
A stick. Then I'll make it like this everywhere and make it dirty pants. Do Mama buy something? I don't like this one. I like the pink one.
No, you don't have time. You have to study.
Oh, stop doing this. Make it messy.
It's okay. It's a school. It should be messy.
The pencil will break.
It's not.
Because it got this big.
Don't do it too hard.
Okay.
This is too hard.
Nancy,
Yeah.
Nancy, Nancy.
This way.
This way. Not very small. It's okay. Now, make this. Make this. Make this. From here. It should be big. No, here. No, here. Here.
I don't like noisy.
I will do it. Make this. Like this. Do it.
Or else, if you shout, I'll never do it.
Do it.
It's too big.
Do it.
But it's too big.
It's not very big.
Look.
I will. Give me.
Well, not raining too.
You need a new one now. So it will start all again. If you don't do it correct, you will not able to sleep.
But if I wake up,
Shush. Let's do numbers. You know numbers.
yes, I know numbers 2 plus.
It should be all the way 100.
Look, 2 plus equal minus means.
No, not this. I'm not asking plus.
I'm telling 1 with 2 is
Shush. Numbers time. Write number 1.
But you can do the
Like-
number.
Like this. It should be all the way 100. I'll find
minus.
If you do it correct, you will win a star and a happy face.
In this.
Yeah. Write number 1.
But you don't know.
Number 1. Over here. It should start. Done. 2.
1.
Yeah. Write number 2. Good. Now number 3. Good. Now number 4.
Hello, teacher.
Are you mad? You guys are writing like Urdu. This is wrong.
It's not wrong.
1, 2, 3. This is wrong.
This is the wrong side. This
You
side
have to
start
start
to
from
Urdu.
other side.
Ah, the great teacher also don't know, huh?